Let's learn about names of bird. SAPROW sparrow mean goraya. PEACOCK peacock means more. PIGEON pigeon means kabutar. CROW crow means koa. PARROT parrot means tota. EAGLE eagle means garoon. OWL owl means ullu. DUCK duck means battak. SWAN swan means Hans. WOODPECKER woodpecker means Katfodwa. KINGFISHER kingfisher means Neelkant. CRANE crane means Saras. NIGHTINGALE nightingale means bulbul. VULTURE vulture means gid. CUCKOO cuckoo means koyal. HERON heron means bagula. OSTRICH ostrich means shuturmurg. KITE kite means cheel. PARTRIDGE partridge means teetar. MYNAH myna means manna.